Today we're looking at part number 13-107KT. This is the 14.5 inch long equalizer kit for 3-inch wide leaf springs. This kit comes with the 14.5 inch long equalizer for the 10K heavy duty through 16K trailer axles, or any axles that use the 3-inch wide spring. It also comes with the 1 1/8 inch equalizer bolt and lock nut, and then it comes with the 1-inch spring bolt along with the lock nut. This is a good kit to buy if you have to replace your equalizers, because most of the time the equalizers, they have them welded on. Whenever they put on this bolt, they put a little tack weld on this nut to make sure it doesn't come off, so it's pretty much, you're probably gonna have to buy them all anyway. So this is a good kit to have. Comes with the bolts and everything you need. You can buy them on TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thank you.